Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Path of Exile 2 game error, and the error is login error. There has been a patch that you need to update to. Please restart Path of Exile in Path of Exile 2 game. So if you're getting this error in Path of Exile 2 game, login error, there has been a patch that you need to update to. Please restart Path of Exile. Then here follow the fixes very carefully. Now before performing any of the fixes, first check the Path of Exile 2 server status. You can check the Path of Exile X web page. Link is provided in my video description, and if you find that other players are also facing this problem, and if their server is offline, under maintenance, or having any kind of outage, then you don't have to do anything. You just wait for the server status to get back restored, and then you can check back later. However, if the server status is online and if you still are getting this error, or in the meantime, you can follow these fixes. The first fix is to restart Steam, restart your PC. So simply click on this word Steam and then click on exit. This will exit the Steam. Then again relaunch Steam and then launch the game and check. And if that doesn't work, then just restart your PC. And once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search, type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Then click on add an allowed app. Then click on browse all apps. And then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, Steam folder, Steam apps folder, common folder, open Path of Exile 2 game folder. Now select the Path of Exile x64 Steam exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Again click on add an allowed app, browse all apps. Now select the second one, Path of Exile Steam exe file, and then click on open to add it to the list. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Then click on change settings. Click on allow another app. Click on browse. And then again browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open Path of Exile 2 game folder. Now select the first one, Path of Exile x64 Steam exe file, and then click on open and then click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark. Again click on allow another app, click on browse, and this time select the second one, Path of Exile Steam exe file, and then click on open and then click on add. Again after adding it, make sure both private and public is tick mark, and then click on OK to save changes, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you're using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, EACT, then allow the game exe file to your antivirus program as well, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program after playing the game. Fix 3 is to change server region. Just switch to another server region and then check. So when you launch the game, here you will see the gateway. It is auto selected. Click on this drop down and then select different gateway or server and then check. You can also switch the server before selecting the character and then check. Fix 4 is to check for game updates. Check for pending update. And if there are any updates available for the game, then update it, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 5 is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Path of Exile 2 game, select properties, go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% verification of the file has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 6 is to run the game as an administrator. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Path of Exile 2 game, select manage, then click on browse local files. It will take you to the game installation folder. Now first right click on this Path of Exile x64 Steam exe file and then select run as administrator and then click yes to allow, and then check if your game is launching or not and if your problem is solved or not. If not, then right click on the Path of Exile Steam exe file and then select properties. Go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, hit on apply, OK, and then double click this Path of Exile Steam exe file and then try to launch the game and then check if your error is fixed or not. If not, then right click on it, select properties, go to compatibility tab and uncheck run this program as an administrator, hit on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 7 is to turn off Wi-Fi router or modem. So simply turn off Wi-Fi router or modem, then wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Then restart your Wi-Fi router or modem, reconnect your Wi-Fi, and then launch the game and check. Fix 8 is to change DNS server. So in Windows search, type control panel and open it. Then click on view network status and task under network and internet. Then click on your connected Wi-Fi or internet. Then click on properties. Then select the internet protocol version 4 TCP IPv4 and then click on properties. Now select this option, use the following DNS server addresses, and in preferred DNS server type 8.8.8.8 and in alternate DNS server type 8.8.4.4 and then click on OK and then close it, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fixed line is to reset internet connection. So in Windows search type CMD and open the command prompt as an administrator. So click on run as administrator, click yes to allow. Now in the command prompt, if you type this code one by one, you can copy this code from my video description, paste it over here and then hit enter. I will provide this CMD codes in my video description. Paste it over here, hit enter, copy the third code, copy the last code, paste it over here, hit enter. Now you will see you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset process. So here type EXIT, hit enter to close the command prompt and then restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC, it is a must. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game, check. Fix 10 is to switch internet connection. Now you can connect to mobile data via hotspot and then check. And if possible, then you can also try to connect to internet via Ethernet cable and then launch the game and check. Fix 11 is to reset network settings. So open Windows settings. On the left, click on network and internet. Scroll down, click on advanced network settings. Then click on network reset. Now read this over here and then click on reset now. And if you agree, then click on yes. And after performing the network reset, just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 12 is to try VPN. So you can connect to VPN such as Proton VPN, NordVPN, Kaspersky VPN, Cloudflare VPN, or any other VPN, and then launch the VPN app and then connect to a different location than your current location, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you're already connected to VPN, then disconnect it and then check. Fix 13 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them and then just restart your PC once again. And after a PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve Path of Exile 2 game error, that is a login error. There has been a patch that you need to update to. Please restart Path of Exile error in Path of Exile 2 game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.